Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Under which scheme are 13 redeveloped railway stations being inaugurated by PM Modi in Madhya Pradesh? 13. The correct answer is Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. PM Modi is inaugurating 13 redeveloped railway stations in Madhya Pradesh under the Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Sariyana Badil. 13. Question 2. Which state government recently announced India's first government-driven AI university? AI? The correct answer is Karnataka. The Chief Minister of Karnataka recently announced the establishment of India's first government-driven AI university in the state. Sariyana Badil. AI. Question 3. The Dholera Airport, which is 80% complete and expected to be operational by October, is located in which Indian state? 80%. The correct answer is Gujarat. The Dholera Airport, a greenfield airport project, is located in Gujarat and is expected to commence operations by October. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. What is the most common initial symptom of acute appendicitis? The correct answer is periumbilical pain migrating to the right lower quadrant. The classic presentation of acute appendicitis often begins with vague periumbilical pain that later localizes to the right lower quadrant. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Tenderness at McBurney's point is a classic sign associated with which condition? The correct answer is acute appendicitis. McBurney's point tenderness, located 1/3 of the way from the anterior superior iliac spine to the umbilicus, is a hallmark sign of acute appendicitis. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. What is the most common cause of small bowel obstruction in adults in developed countries? The correct answer is adhesions from prior surgery. Post-operative adhesions are the leading cause of small bowel obstruction in adults, especially in developed countries. Sariyana Badil. Adhesions. Adhesions. Question 7. Which of the following is not a cardinal symptom of intestinal obstruction? The correct answer is diarrhea. The cardinal symptoms of intestinal obstruction are abdominal pain, distension, vomiting, and absolute constipation, failure to pass flatus or stool. Diarrhea is not typical. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. A board-like rigid abdomen is a classic physical finding in which of the following conditions? The correct answer is generalized peritonitis. Generalized peritonitis, often due to perforation of a hollow viscus, causes severe inflammation of the peritoneum leading to involuntary guarding and a board-like rigid abdomen. Sariyana Badil. Question 9. What is the most common cause of secondary peritonitis? The correct answer is perforated peptic ulcer. Secondary peritonitis usually results from the perforation of a viscus, such as a perforated peptic ulcer, appendicitis, or diverticulitis, allowing spillage of gastrointestinal contents into the peritoneal cavity. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. Which of the following is the most common complication of peptic ulcer disease? The correct answer is hemorrhage. Gastrointestinal bleeding, hemorrhage, is the most common and often the first complication of peptic ulcer disease. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. A patient presenting with sudden, severe, diffuse abdominal pain and a board-like rigidity, following a history of dyspepsia, should be immediately evaluated for which peptic ulcer complication? The correct answer is perforation. Sudden, severe, diffuse abdominal pain with board-like rigidity is highly suggestive of a perforated peptic ulcer, which leads to peritonitis. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. What is the most serious complication of untreated acute appendicitis? The correct answer is perforation leading to peritonitis. If acute appendicitis is left untreated, the inflamed appendix can perforate, spilling its contents into the peritoneal cavity and leading to generalized peritonitis, a life-threatening condition. Sariyana Badil. Question 13. Which of the following is a primary goal in the surgical management of generalized peritonitis? The correct answer is source control and peritoneal lavage. The primary surgical goal in generalized peritonitis is to identify and control the source of contamination, example close a perforation, and to thoroughly irrigate, lavage, the peritoneal cavity to remove pus and debris. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. A patient with a long history of peptic ulcer disease presents with recurrent vomiting of undigested food and early satiety. Which complication is most likely? The correct answer is gastric outlet obstruction. Recurrent vomiting of undigested food, especially if it occurs hours after eating, along with early satiety, is classic for gastric outlet obstruction, often due to chronic peptic ulcer scarring. Sariyana Badil. Question 15. Which type of intestinal obstruction is considered a surgical emergency due to the risk of bowel ischemia and necrosis? The correct answer is strangulated obstruction. Strangulated obstruction involves compromise of the blood supply to the obstructed bowel segment, leading to ischemia, necrosis, and potentially perforation, making it a surgical emergency. Sariyana Badil. Strangulated obstruction. Strangulated obstruction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.